Hey, welcome to Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and today we have a little unboxing. It's that time of year again. I just got off ShipRocked, and if you don't know from prior videos, I come back normally with a lifer gift. So we're gonna check that out. But first, for those new, let's do a quick rundown. ShipRocked has been around for 16 years now. It's a cruise ship that has non-stop bands playing. You get to meet the bands, and it's just a grand old time. Now, a lifer is a designation of someone on said ship that's gone on pretty much all 16. The first three, there's a little wiggle room. So you're designated a lifer if and only if you've been on the cruise since the beginning. There's only 16 of us left, but it seems like a core group. I don't know how much more it's gonna dwindle. Out of the appreciation for the dedication, the cruise director gives out a lifer gift. So pretty much that's what we're here to do. See what the heck 2026 brought. So let's get this big one kind of out of the way. It's a throw. Let me unwrap this throw. This is your typical throw, heavy and coarse. At the bottom we got ShipRocked, and the top is Skully Zeus. Pretty sick. The back, nothing special. This ship's theme was Olympus this year, so we got a lot of godly characters and what have you. So now we got this awesome little box. It says where we went and when it was. January 25th through the 31st of 2026. Half Moon Cay, Celebration Key, and Nassau. Nice little box. It's toit. And this is what's in the box. Try and pull these guys out. So here we have kind of a Skully-esque Poseidon, if you will. This guy's trident. A lot of good details on this. Pretty sure it's hand painted. And then info about this year's ShipRocked on it. Here's his backside. Just all the detail. Pretty sick. Something good for a shelf. Let's check out the second one. Skully Zeus, nice lightning bolt, a lot of detail again. He's riding on a cloud. He's got a ShipRocked base, and the backside, still lots of good detail. Pretty good job. So that's pretty much that. I mean, those were the gifts. I opened them, you saw them. Some of you might be watering at the mouth for them. If you didn't notice, in all these videos, I have last year's spectacular lifer gift just hanging up back there. So they treat us pretty well. But these are awesome. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think of these gifts? What do you think of ShipRocked? I love it, obviously. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna be the last lifer if I can. Let's do another 16 years, right? And for those that don't know what ShipRocked is, hasn't been on ShipRocked, get on the boat and trying harder.